Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take care of extensions in hair, easy method. Start by detangling gently from tips to roots using a wide tooth brush and soft motion, avoiding tugging or harsh strokes. Use a leave-in detangler or lightweight oil on the ends to reduce knots and breakage, and always hold the roots while you work to protect bonds and reduce tension for longer wear, and maintain shine regularly. In this video, I will show how to take care of extensions in hair, easy method. Wet hair thoroughly and dilute shampoo in your hands to lather gently, concentrating on the scalp and letting suds run through the extension lengths. Use a silicone-free conditioner from mid-length to ends and comb through with fingers, then rinse with cool water to close cuticles and maintain softness without adding weight or stress to the bonds. In this video, I will show how to take care of extensions in hair, easy method. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your playlist to life while you style, set timers for conditioning, and answer product questions hands-free, making routine tasks easier and fun. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to take care of extensions in hair, easy method. Apply a heat protectant evenly and keep tools at moderate temperatures to avoid melting or weakening bonds. When curling, clamp below the bond and hold briefly. When straightening, glide slowly and avoid repeated passes in the same spot. Give extensions rest days from heat and use protective styles like loose braids to reduce daily manipulation and tangling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.